A team of researchers is creating drones using dead birds, and it's raising privacy concerns. Researchers at New Mexico Tech are taking a unique approach to studying wildlife and flight by transforming dead birds into drones. The birds are preserved through taxidermy to make them as real as possible. The team calculates the flapping frequency, angle, and the weight of the birds while they're still alive.
If we learn how these birds, they manage the energy between themselves, we can apply them into the future aviation industry to save more energy and save more fuel.
We've done experiments and determined that for fixed-wing aircraft, applying certain color can change the flight efficiency.
The experiment is raising concerns. Some advocates say the drones could be used by the military or law enforcement to spy on people. Researchers say they'll continue to study and develop the bird drones for the next couple of years. The drones could be used by the military or law enforcement to spy on people.